Contact other both nearby village tried no matter where I am or what I am doing, my heart always finds it back to you. It's like compass pointing towards my truth, north. You, each moment apart, just reminds me how much you mean to me and deeply I crash our connection. Your love is the beacon that guides me through every storm. The heaven I seek in every uncertainty. Feeling in love with you is the second best thing in the world. Finding you was the first. Every day since has been a beautiful journey of discovering more about you and feeling deeper in love. Loving you is not a choice, it is a need, a longing, and that angles at me and feeling a that I never want to let you go of. I prayed for you day and night, and now those praying were answered when I first saw you. Now I see you in my dreams. All the times I know you are the special one for me. I count the stars at night thinking about your beauty. Your love is like the moon. It moves me. I am deeply in love you with. I am cannot find a way out. I want to be the one who makes me you feel love, crushed and attracting every single day. Because that exciting how you make me feel. Please give me a chance to prove me love to you. My home, my coin, I ready your message careful and really appreciate you are sharing your feelings with me. It really hurts me to know that you felt in ignoring or unappreciate on such an important day for you us. It was never my intentions, and I sincerely apologizing for making you feel that way. Please understand that my love for you never wavered, not even for 1 second. If actions or my inactions make you feel, and I am truly soaring from the bottom of my heart. You mean the world to me, and nothing could ever change that many ways, baby. I also want to express me one feeling the words I used in your message and the way you said it made me hurt twice. I feel like him access used or not caring when in reality you are always in my heart and mind. I never want misunderstand each other or allow a miscommunications to create a distance between us. I appreciate our love so much that I don't allow anything to come between us. Let promise each other to communicating with love and understanding to experiencing the best from each other and always seek clarity before being. You are my happiness, my future, and my everything. Never want to see you said just like I never want to feel hurt by your word can be talk making things right. I miss your smile and warmth. I love you forever and every my sweetheart. I can only use many words in the dictionary show you how much I love you. I love you so much that you are always on my mind, putting a smile on my face, making my heart escape a bite. There are so many ways for me expresses my love, and I plan on showing you just how much love I have for you the rest of my life. I hope that you my action let you know the extent of my affection, adorations, and communicating mating to you. Sometimes I think about your laugh and it makes me smiles big. I have to found way to claim down. Thank you for being a score of positivity. I love the little things you do that make me feel for you more each day. You have a way of making the ordinary seem the extraordinary with just your presence. Holding your hand feels like the safest most comforting thing in the world. Being of together in my favorite pastime, and I crashing every sales moment we share. You are my happy place, the on I turn to when I need a little sunshine in my life. When you say my name, it feels like music to my ears. I could not to listen for every time we hug. My heart feels like it recovering a thousand tiny cases. You have the most adorable habit of making me smile when I am mood or upset.